What's up, guys? I am Joshua. Welcome back to our channel. This is
YazzyGirl.
So today we have a special video with our big sister.
Hey guys.
So tell them what the video is about today. Popeyes chicken sandwich.
So we finally got the Popeye chicken sandwich, guys. I'm so excited to eat this.
Yeah.
So let's go.
I'm a bit scared though.
That people been killing each other over.
Yeah.
People's been
Dying for this sandwich.
dying.
Like literally. I hope it doesn't taste like a normal chicken sandwich. If it does, I'm gonna kill
It smells
someone.
so weird.
It smells good. It's a big sandwich, bro.
It looks good.
It's big.
Chick-fil-A is gonna be mad at us.
If this is not better than Chick-fil-A, I'm going to
I
die.
swear to God.
Cause if someone got killed over the sandwich, it better be good.
But we're gonna eat at the same time, so let me fix this.
I'm just looking at it.
I'm about to fix this.
This is like a whole chicken wing.
Alright, guys. You guys ready?
I'm scared, guys.
Alright, ready? 3,
Go.
2, 1.
I'm done.
Somebody died in this
I'm
sandwich.
done. You people think this sandwich is good?
It tastes like a normal chicken
I
sandwich.
think Chick-fil-A tastes better than this. I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna lie, it tastes like a normal sandwich.
Yeah.
Has
Like,
a fishy fiber
Somebody got killed over this stupid sandwich. Like what a poor excuse of a human would kill someone for a sandwich.
Ugh, I don't know what you guys were hyping over this shit, but this is not the best. I think Chick-fil-A is the best. It's juicy, so much flavor. But I'm gonna finish it, so I'm not gonna waste it. Wow. Wow, guys.
Hype over a sandwich that is trash.
This sandwich is trash to me.
It just tastes like a normal chicken sandwich to me.
Right.
Like, it's sad that someone got
I'm
killed
gonna
over
add
it.
some sweet and sour sauce with it.
Does that taste good?
Mm.
What is this?
It's alright.
Popcorn.
It's a little dry to me, but
Mm-mm.
it's dry to me. So.
It's buttery.
God damn. I wonder who killed that person though.
Me too. Crazy, guys. Anyways, Chick-fil-A won, so all the way. What do you mean no?
I'm starting to taste this now.
Jamin. Whose is better?
Chick-fil-A.
If you taste Chick-fil-A, you never chased Chick-fil-A before.
Mm-hmm.
No, you didn't. You never went with me and Mom to eat Chick-fil-A. We're gonna take you and compare it together. We're gonna do that so you can see which one is better. I don't think this sandwich is all that, but
This sounds smack.
I'm saying truthful words. I'm not gonna lie. So, like I said, I'm still gonna eat it. It's food.
It's a bit sad someone got killed over it. And that's a sad way to die over a chicken sandwich.
Right now, people are in the
Stupid.
line. In the line getting this. This. I'll be right back. I'm going to get some water. Can you want water?
This is dry. Not even water, please.
See, I told you.
It's a bit dry. They could make the chicken more juicier. There's water over there. Remember, there's water over there.
too late now.
That's a waste of water. Yes, where the bejesus.
Guys, I love water.
This sandwich was kind of worth it, kind of not.
Never take water for granted because one day all this
I'm
is
gonna be
disappear.
honest, the whole hype of this Popeye chicken sandwich was not even worth it to me. It doesn't have like much flavor to me.
No.
Somebody got their sandwich snatched.
Oh my God!
You have a house?
But still, like if another person dies because of this, no.
Literally, some woman had to call the police because someone snatched their damn chicken sandwich.
Who
Like,
calls it pitch fresh chicken sandwich?
like bro. Heavy. Just run after them and beat them, woman. That's just.
And then, literally, a woman tried to cut in line in her car. Then bumped into a pole and crashed the side of her door. Like, how stupid are you? For
Someone
a
got
damn chicken sandwich.
someone got tased over your sandwich. Somebody who brought me the taser into the chicken Popeyes. It's just like, zzz.
But yeah, shout out to Lil Boozy. You're so right about this.
Lil who?
Lil Boozy.
He's trash.
That's correct.
He was correct about this.
This
This is no man.
do for you like this? It's a piece of shit.
I honestly think like bland soup is better than this.
To be honest, I don't even know if I could finish it.
Like, if this thing can walk, if the sandwich can walk, then go crazy over it. But it doesn't walk, so.
You can tell that.
Bro, is that somebody's hair in your food? Oh, it's cheese.
Oh, it's just cheese. What I'm about to say, oh, Hicks.
But yeah,
Fine.
You just tell me.
I'll give my honest review. It's not all that. It's just a sandwich. A normal sandwich.
You just tell me.
Nothing.
doesn't have much flavor again.
So that's why we have sauce.
They
So
put butter on the patties.
you can tell that it has like butter on the outside of the bun when you bite into it.
And it's like all.
They butter the patties.
Because you can tell it's all oily and stuff.
Not worth it.
Yeah, it's not even worth it.
Okay.
Everybody's running for this. Like, come on.
Now the chicken, bro, that's worth the taste of mud.
KFC is
I
better
think
than this.
their chicken's better than this. Sorry.
KFC is better than this. Chick-fil-A is better than this. My mom's soup is better than this.
I'm gonna make my own chicken sandwich.
So I have a lot more flavor.
It's too dry. Way too dry, bro.
Like, it's sad someone got killed over this. No. If you think about killing someone, hurting someone, or doing anything to someone
See a
for
doctor.
the sandwich, go see a psychiatric. I don't know. Just
Hell ass. You need an exorcism if you think about killing somebody.
for the sandwich, like, no, honey, no.
This is crazy.
It's
I
trash.
don't even like eating the sandwich anymore because people got me thinking about the sandwich, and now that I get to taste it, it's not even all that.
You know what they say, like KFC chicken sandwiches if they have
No,
butter on them.
KFC tastes better than that. I'm sorry. No way near KFC.
The KFC Nashville hot sandwich.
Oh, they're all good. The barbecue from KFC is really good. It tastes like that chip. What's that chips? Lay's barbecue chips taste just like it.
What's the hype over this?
I don't know.
Like, if
Gum.
someone told me this is really good, you're lying.
People be fiending for this.
Everything was a lie.
Just imagine throwing this in some water and everybody will be just jumping and flying for it. Just be like, hey, I got a Popeyes chicken sandwich. Everybody gonna be going crazy, like a wild animal. They're like, oh,
guys. No.
My stomach
don't waste
hurt.
your money on this. It tastes like a normal sandwich.
$4 for one sandwich, bro.
Wow.
Not my drink.
Oh.
Little boosty funny.
He said, if someone lies, because this is regular.
Yeah, he ain't lying.
This is regular.
Add some sauce to
I'm
it.
so disappointed. I thought this was going to be so good. I know. I'm sorry, Popeyes, but I'm going to Chick-fil-A or KFC. And you know what? Even KFC came out with something like this, and nobody was hyped for it. Like, come on. Nobody was hyped for that KFC sandwich.
I was.
Ever.
But then, I guess
Everybody was hyped for the Cheeto chicken sandwich.
like, why is everyone hyped over this?
Cause Popeyes.
They guys,
Yeah,
they're
but-
trying to compare it to Chick-fil-A and Popeyes, knowing Chick-fil-A is
Chick-fil-A
better.
one.
Chick-fil-A is better, guys.
Chick-fil-A is better.
I'm sorry. This is boo. I'm so upset right now.
Chick-fil-A one. Chick-fil-A one.
So,
chicken is
guys,
juicy.
for this round, Chick-fil-A won. So, I'm sorry, Popeyes, but
That chicken size probably buying
it's
shit.
dry. The flavor is not getting to me. It's just not.
Tastes like fish.
It's just bland. First bite tastes like fish, yeah.
Yeah.
No, first bite. Like, it tastes like fish on first bite, but no, it doesn't. I feel like I've been into the desert when I ate this. This is literally a sandwich.
And literally,
Sandwich.
their bread is like
It's,
buttery. Like, it's buttery.
it's like thin.
You can see it yellow, the butter all on this.
It's not that, like,
I'm gonna have my mom try this. I'm not even feeling it no more.
Alright, y'all. My stomach hurt.
Me too. Because this just made me really upset.
it falls apart too. Wow.
That's one fat chicken, bro. The chicken is big.
Yeah,
Big but not juicy.
yeah. The chicken's really, really big, guys.
But not true. That's dry.
It's dry, it's oily, it's butter, bread.
My
Not
stomach-
much flavor, so that's all I have to say again and again.
How does
and
one
again.
chicken sandwich good for?
They probably put chemicals in it. Who knows?
That's what they do at school, bro. I think I gotta go.
That's why it's better to eat homemade foods.
Exactly.
Because you get to control how it tastes.
Oh, you know, just be good.
How much spices
And you
are
don't
in
know
it.
what people are putting inside our food, like when we make it. Like,
Yeah, you don't know where the.
You know what this look good with?
What?
This looks so good with the beloved lice sauce, bro.
I wonder how many animals got tortured for
That
this sandwich.
this would be good with that.
nah, I don't think so. Never mind. Change my mind.
That shit would be sad.
I think it would be better with the butter.
I wonder how much animals.
No, because it already has butter in it.
Rebo, you wonder how many chickens died for this goddamn sandwich?
Trillions, millions.
They all suffered
Billions.
the same way. Sad. Sad.
It got a juicy booty. Just like that.
It's juicy. juicy, but
That looks like the booty.
it's juicy, but it's not like it's just dry.
It's really dry. We've been saying it so many times because it's true.
It's so dry. It's like a normal sandwich. Like we've been saying it so much times.
It's dry.
Yeah.
Like if I went to the desert, the freaking sand would be more moist than this. Not gonna lie.
That's disgusting. And then stomach hurt. It's not worth buying, bro. It's not worth killing niggas. It's not worth stabbing, stealing, or buying, bro. It's expensive. $4 for a chicken sandwich. Shit, you know I could give me a haircut.
I think the whole meal was like $6.99, or I think it was $5.99. I don't remember, but yeah.
What? You bought the milk?
No, we only bought the sandwich. It was $3.99 for just the sandwich. For the
Expensive
meal,
sandwich.
for the meal that come with everything,
Where's it coming?
I don't know.
Their fries are good though. You ever tried fries? Their fries are smacking.
Yeah.
Popeyes.
I like checker fries.
Back up.
They're good too.
Nah, my favorite fry. No, do you know it's the most place I love cheese curds from?
No.
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Oh my god.
They got the best cheese curds.
They have
And
a
their
better
wings.
sandwich than this whole place because I.
What are better? Not Popeye. Let's say Buffalo Wild Wings or what's that?
Chick-fil-A?
Wingstop. What's better, Wingstop or Buffalo
I
Wild?
never taste Wingstop, so
Me
I
neither.
don't know. Maybe we should try that one day.
We should try Buffalo Wild Wings and Wingstop. We should do Buffalo Wild Wings, hot wings, and
So
that-
guys, if you want us to make another video
with
where-
spicy wings challenge.
with Wingstop and Buffalo Wild Wings, please comment down below.
I want to do the spicy one, so atomic hot
Oh.
and blazing hot.
Like a bunch of-
screaming.
I would not do that.
I would be
No, I can't even handle heat. Imagine I couldn't even do the 2X spicy noodle challenge. That was bad.
2 times spicy.
Look it.
Oh, it did. Nothing happens. We go. Sorry, guys. Something happened.
So guys, this includes the video today.
Savage disappointed
I'm really
me.
upset with
Yeah, this
Popeyes.
includes that in the video.
Popeyes, why you do this to me? Stop trying.
This $4 for
Stop
chicken
trying
butt
to
sandwich.
compete
That
with
looks like a
Chick-fil-A.
butthole.
Chick-fil-A is an original chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
I steady can't cut.
I like Chick-fil-A because
Somebody call 911.
juicy, it has flavor.
Flavor.
It's just much better, and even the waffle fries that comes with the Chick-fil-A sandwich is so good.
Ooh.
It gives it more.
Oh yeah, the waffle fries don't get me started.
It's so good. Like,
I could be
ooh.
eating those.
Go hype over the Chick-fil-A instead.
Guys,
This
if you
is
want
not
us to do
relevant.
a mukbang with Chick-fil-A, we will do that. So all you gotta do is comment below.
It's the Buffalo Wild Wings spicy.
So
I want to see her scream her head off. This would be Jasmine. She'd be like, she'd be like this. She'd be like,
okay, that's enough.
she'd be like,
Okay, no. These kids are
Bear gonna be like,
He's on crack.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna end this video.
End this video. Comment, share, like,
subscribe.
turn the notifications on.
And subscribe.
and stay tuned.
Comment what we should try next.
Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice night.
Bye.
Bye.